Hi, this is Nick from Linkcentry, where we find bad links before your users do. In this video, we will review how you can adopt Linkcentry on your Shopify store. We will work through all the steps, and in less than 10 minutes, you will be online. Linkcentry will be monitoring your links, and you will be protected 24/7 from bad links. So let's start. All right, so as a new or as an existing user, you will go to Linkcentry and you will click on sign in, where you will be able to log in either with your Google account or through your email, where you will receive a magic link. You will click on that link and then you will be logged in. So once you click on that link, you will get to the dashboard of Linkcentry in the overview page, where this will start off as empty because you don't have any websites monitored with Linkcentry as of right now. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the websites tab, which will allow you to list your website. Here we will just enter a new store. So I can say awesomestore.com, and you can provide a description if you so wish, and you can add a website. The website has been added, and now we will turn on monitoring. Now, if you are a free user, you will have to either purchase Linkcentry or start a free trial to be able to enable monitoring and adopt Linkcentry. We currently have a 1 week free integration with Stripe, so you can use it for a week, and if you cancel it before the end of that week, you will not pay. We highly encourage you to try us out. We are sure that you will be happy, and so you can either purchase or try out a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription. If you have custom needs, contact us and we will make an enterprise plan that works for you. So however you do it, you will go ahead and start your trial or start your purchased plan, and then you will be able to turn on monitoring. So now we are logged into our paid account, and you can see that I have this new entry, Linkcentry store myshopify.com, and of course this will be custom to you, to the website that you are monitoring. So I will go ahead and turn on monitoring, which I can do. And now I will be given a bit of JavaScript code. So this is the code, and you have to now add this to your Shopify store so that Linkcentry will start monitoring all your links. So you can go ahead and hit that copy button, and then we will go over to our test Linkcentry store. So this will be, of course, this will be your store with your own custom themes. So in the main page, in your home, you can go to the theme part of Shopify. And right next to this edit theme button, there are these three dots that you can click on, and you can choose the option that says edit code. Depending on when you see this video, these options may be slightly different because maybe Shopify changes their UI, but the principle and the high level procedure will be the same. So we will go ahead and we will click on edit code, and this will allow us to customize the actual HTML and JavaScript and CSS code of our site. So all you have to do is, in this list of folders, you want to go to the layout folder and find the file ending in .liquid that corresponds to your current theme. So this will typically be theme.liquid. All right. So this will be this big file, and you can just search for the head section. So I went ahead, did Control F. I'm searching for head. This is where the head section starts, and this is where the head section ends. And this right here is our Linkcentry script. So if you have copied it, you can just paste it, and then you're done. Right? I had it already there, so I will just go ahead and delete our old copy. So from here, in my case, from line 38 to line 55, this is Linkcentry. And I will choose save, and we are effectively done. So you don't have to do anything else after you save. You are done with adopting Linkcentry. And we can now test that this is the case, that we have actually adopted it. I will load our Linkcentry test store on Shopify, and I will hit Control U, which is the view source. You don't have to do this, but this is just to double check that everything has been adopted correctly. And if I just search for Linkcentry, I will find, of course, in our case, everything is Linkcentry related, but in your case, you will only have one hit. So this is the JavaScript that we added together in our Shopify store. And the fact that this is here means that we have successfully adopted Linkcentry. So now every single user of your store, when they come to your store, Linkcentry will be monitoring all the links that they encounter, and then it will be continuously evaluating these links to make sure that you don't have any bad links on your store. So once we confirm that Linkcentry has been successfully installed on our Shopify website, we can just go back to our dashboard. So we are done here. And then we can go to our policies tab. On the policies tab, if you only have one website, you can just select your one website. And here you can enable and disable the policies that you want to be active on your website. Depending on your tier of service, some of these may be unavailable to you, but many of them will be available to you. So for example, we definitely advise all of our clients to have the broken links policy on, which means that it will detect, Linkcentry will be able to detect whether one of your links is broken or doesn't resolve, or potentially the domain name has expired. And then from here, you can turn on all the policies that are available to you or turn them off as you so wish. For example, here in the low ranking websites, we can have a policy where we can request that Linkcentry alerts us if we ever link to a website that is not in the 500,000 most popular websites of the internet. Right. So you can enable and disable whichever links you want, and you can read the descriptions of each policy. And then you're essentially done. Within 24 to 48 hours, any links that are violating your policies will start appearing in this violations tab. So at this moment, because we just added the Linkcentry store, there are no violations. But again, any violating links will appear here, and this will be constantly refreshed as more and more links are collected from your site, and as the links themselves change, as you publish new content, or potentially when a link that used to be good turns bad, then a violation will be raised and you will find it here. And you can also review the actual links that Linkcentry has discovered on your site. So you can go to the links section, you can go to the Linkcentry store My Shopify, and here you will see all the links that are discovered on your site. And again, as more and more users browse your website, this will be populated more and more fully. So you will be able to get an accurate map of all the links that you have and discover perhaps some links that are not appropriate anymore for your website. So this will be the end of this tutorial. As you saw, we were able to adopt Linkcentry in just a few minutes. And please reach out to us if you have any questions. Take care.